Dad, just before we move on, is there any other information that people should consider when looking at the practicalities of seeking a psychologist?
Yes, well, we're going to talk about some things about the therapist and therapy relationship themselves that are relevant, but there are also those practical kind of things like location, what might be accessible. And these days there are a few more options with telehealth, so people can be accessible more remotely, but particularly one's locality, what services are available. Availability in terms of hours or waiting lists, things like that, of course, that's going to be relevant. Now, fees are going to be relevant as well, because with the Better Access scheme, the government provides a rebate, but many services will charge an additional gap, although there will be some that don't. And then it might be hours as well in terms of accessibility of whether it be weekend or after hours appointments. That might be important for some people as well. So there are going to be practicalities that sometimes mean that some therapists will be available, whereas others might not be so much. And so it might be important to take those practicalities into account. And if it makes a big difference to someone to access a service in a particular time or in a particular way, well, that's part of the practicality, and it might be important to be able to see someone under circumstances that suits, rather than being extra specific around, for example, a therapist's age or gender or something like that.